strike back. Even my happiness came back. I truly got my life back. Now I'm
Yeah,
privileged to be able to
that's
work
weird.
with people every day who come in and simply want their life back. I really love what I do.
You too can get your life back with natural hormone replacement therapy.
Get your life back. Call HRC today at 513-94261.
Look closely and you'll discover there's more to Daisy than a dollar. Introducing cottage cheese, the Daisy Nut.
And so you just poke it through like that. So you just do knots like this.
Make little knots.
Exactly. And you can mix and match your colors, add, whatever tiles you happen to have, it's going to look great. And here's a finished one. Stevens.
I was going to say, this looks like a child's
And
slipper.
yeah, it's shrunk. Well, and you're just going to stretch it right over the shoe like
You
that.
make a slip cover for the shoe.
Exactly.
And, I've gotten a lot of
As you can see,
said they were inspired by what I was doing.
you can't remove this pin,
I mean, there's times
the handle, when the firing pin is back in this position. Here's the firing pin here moving up and down. Okay. So when it's inside, you can't remove it without removing the handle, because the handle gets in the way and keeps you from removing the bolt. So to remove the handle, you have to go in the back here when the bolt is in there and push the firing pin flush with this piece here. So now you see I've pushed the firing pin flush, and then the handle comes out, and that's when you can slide the bolt out.
So to me, it's like a German. A little bit of chopped, cooked bacon, crispy bacon. Oh, you're bacon-loving people. A little bit of our homemade, a little splash, a half a cup or so of a nice German eggs. And then you're going to add some stock, a cup and a half, 2 cups of beef stock. And then you're going to let it slow cook through about 45 minutes.
To neutralize odors.
Leather-bound books.
Keeping your house smelling
Classic.
like home.
In there and look, it's not fatty at all, really. So I'm just going to start adding all of our peon juices.
Something is in this budget. Also, starting today, there's a new federal subsidy to help people who've lost their jobs keep their health insurance.
So today and tonight, even though we do expect some showers and thunderstorms to roll through.
One day, the officer chased him.
Can't spend too much time on a little detail like that when I want to paint the whole thing. I'm not talking a whole lot. It's because I'm either in deep trouble with my painting or I'm concentrating. In this case, I'm concentrating. Get out of the two blizzard crimson and even darker, even with a little bit of burnt umber on it. And it's sitting right here. Since that was so much fun, I'm going to do another one. There. And one down here in the dark. See how much crunch there is? It's great.
What you want to do? Unlimited power. Well, I'm going to do everything I can say is yes, ma'am. But on this piece of canvas, you can put a little sun up in the sky. This will be the aura around the sun. Very lightly, break it out. And we can put a sun in here. Tell you what, for that cloud, I'm still using the same color that the sky was. Just drop in a little cloud. Just so you know, play around and have fun. Just in any color that you want. I just sort of picked browns today, because that's a very nice warm color. Can we go back to this little footy hill? Here, I'm going to add a little bit more pressure.